Hello everybody. In this video, we are going to study Chapter 7 of Science for grade 7th, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. So, let's start with the video. This is the pic of NCERT book of science from which I am teaching you. And this is chapter 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate, that we are going to study. Aims and objectives of the chapter. At the end of this video, you will be able to know difference between weather and climate, factors affecting weather, characteristics of polar regions and tropical regions, countries lying in polar regions and tropical regions, adaptations in various animals living in polar regions and tropical regions. What's the difference between weather and climate? Weather is the short-term condition of the atmosphere in a given location. Weather is affected by temperature, wind conditions, humidity, cloud cover, precipitation, air pressure. Example of weather conditions are: the wind is really blowing, it's pouring outside, it's freezing, such a foggy night, it's hot today. The weather can be anything on any given day. Climate is the long-term average condition of the atmosphere for a location. Example of climatic conditions are: it's hot and humid in the Amazon. The South Pole is extremely cold and dry. The Sahara is arid. India experiences monsoon season in July. Characteristics of polar regions. As we all know, the polar regions on the earth lie on its North Pole and South Pole. Countries situated in polar region are Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland and Siberia. So let's know about climatic conditions in polar region. Polar regions are covered with snow throughout the year. For 6 months, the sun doesn't set. For the next 6 months, the sun doesn't rise. Temperature can go down to minus 40 degrees Celsius during winters. Let's know about adaptations of animals in polar regions. Let's know about the polar bear first of all. Polar bear has thick fur which keeps body warm in frigid air and water. The white fur helps for camouflage in ice and snow and reflects the heat lost through the skin back into its body. So we studied about the term camouflage here. Camouflage, when the color of the skin of an organism is similar to its surroundings. Big paws, the broad ones, spread body weight of polar bear on ice and also help in swimming. Claws, which are curved in shape, help to dig through ice. Teeth, jagged suiting carnivorous eating habit. Nostrils help in breathing but are closed when inside water. Small ears and tails, they are short in size to minimize the heat loss from the body. Fat layers help to keep the body of polar bear warm by insulation. Let's know about adaptation of penguin. Penguins are white, helping them to merge well in the snowy background. They have thick skin and a lot of fat which protect them from cold. Penguins huddle together to keep themselves warm. Their bodies are streamlined and their feet have webs to swim easily. Now let's know about tropical regions. Tropical regions have hot climate as they lie on equator. Some of the areas lying in tropical regions are Central America, Central Africa, Western Ghats, Assam in India, and Southeast Asia. Here, the temperature remains higher than 15 degrees Celsius even in the coldest months. During summers, the temperature can go high even up to 45 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rain. Large variety of plants and animals can be seen in tropical regions. Red-eyed frog has sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. And just like red-eyed frog, let's know about some more adaptations of such animals which are found in the tropical rainforest. Monkey. Well, monkeys have long tails for grasping branches. Monkeys' feet and hands are such that they can easily hold on to branches. Taucan has a long, large beak which helps it to reach the fruits on branches of other trees also. Lions and tigers have thick skins and sensitive hearing for catching their prey. Elephant. Well, the elephant has a strong sense of smell because of its trunk. It uses trunk to pick up food also. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds and keep it cool in hot climate. Let's summarize the chapter now. Any feature which seems to increase the chances of survival of an organism in its surroundings is called adaptation. The polar regions are covered with snow and remain cold during most part of the year. Polar bear and penguins are the animals in polar region which are completely adapted to cold climate. The tropical regions have hot climate. Red-eyed frog, taucan bird, monkeys, tigers, elephant, leopard, etc. are some animals which are adapted to hot climate in tropical rainforest. I hope the chapter was clear to you. Thanks for watching.